type photopea.com. Alright, so just make sure if your phone is strong enough, it should be able to open this website. So start using Photopea. Photopea is like a Photoshop. It's online and you can access it with your mobile phone. Can you see this? So you can access it with the mobile phone. So I'm going to start using Photopea. Just click start using Photopea. Alright, so it's really going to open up the entire Photopea application for you. Alright, so now what you are going to do, now remember this is Chrome, right? So what you are going to do is to click File, click Open. Alright, so it's going to redirect you to Allow, and then you are going to choose your file. So it's going to redirect you to your files. So I'm going to pick this file. It's somewhere in, I'm going to pick it from this. I really think this should be it, so let's hope it is. So I'm going to pick my own file from there. So it's going to import it, and then after importation it's going to open it in Photopea for me. It's loading right now, so it's going to open it for me. Once that opens up, all right, so I'll give you the mockup file. If I don't, you know, you go to freepik.com, freepik.com. You can look for any mockup PSD, download the PSD format of it, and then you can open it this way. All right, this is the mockup, and I'm going to come to the side here. You can see back design. This is the front design, and that's the other one is the back design. So let me click the drop down of the front of the back design, and then this is the front. So you click, if you look at where I'm clicking, click this. Let's click this and see. Click it 2 times, so it will open this for you. So I'm going to hide this. So now I'm going to come to File, Open and Place. Alright, so I'm going to come to File, click Open and Place. So that will help you to open a particular file and then place. So I'm going to go to my file. Some of the recent images, let's see. Okay, so I'm going to open this from the one we just did from Snapseed, and then place it. Now it's, let's see, why is it at the back? Okay, I'm going to turn off this. Okay, now I'm going to pick this. Now hit on transform control so that you can really transform it. I don't want to crop it, so I will just enlarge it to the point where only the front side will show. All right, so can you see what I just did? So I think it's too much. Let's take it down a little bit. All right, let's take it down a little bit, and then let's take this up. All right, I think let's just get it like that. So hit this mark button. All right, so that's that. So now I'm going to click File, Save Smart Object. Can you see Save Smart Object? So when you click Save Smart Object, it's going to Smart Object updated. So close this. So when you close this, you are going to see that it's going to be updated right at the front. Let it load. Okay, can you see? All right, can you see? It has updated here. And then for the back design, we can really leave out the back design. Let's hit OK. We can really leave out the back design because it's really giving the same vibe. All right, so now for the back design, you come back here, you hit this, come down. Now this particular, if you look at this, there's another, there are 2 other squares inside. Hit that 2 squares, it will open up. Once it opens up for you, click and place. Then this time around you shift it to the back design. This is just a mock-up presentation to really present what you've done, right? So this is it. Then how do you save? How you can save here is you come, and let me just do this first, then hit your. Alright, for you to save it's quite simple. So just click File, then come to Export As. So when you click Export As, you are going to see different formats. So choose PNG, so that, remember, you have turned off the background. Choose PNG. So after you've chosen PNG, all right, it's going to bring up a model for you. And then after that, this is just to show you the quality. All right, you can see the height, 2500 pixels. This is pretty high enough. So you can change the name to anything you want. Let's say unchained at last. All right, so this the format remains as PNG, quality is 100%, and then just click save. When you click save, it's going to save to your gallery instanta. Alright, so that's how this is going to be done. You're going to see the results. Alright, I've saved this already before, so I don't want to do that again. So if you do that, your stuff is going to be saved, and you're going to have your PNG, and you can use it for maybe a design or a presentation or something. Alright, so that's how to do that. So we'll see in the next class. Alright, we'll see in the next class. Right, bye for now.